Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Ashgard juice. This is beneficial for everybody who's watching on their weight, want to reduce, especially after all the festival season and getting ready for the next season of vacations, etc. So for Weight Watchers, it helps detox your body, it helps get rid of the extra cholesterol, and if you have it on your empty stomach and not have anything after an hour and then have your breakfast and all healthy diet, exercise well, this is going to be really beneficial. As I said, it is a detox drink, so it will also help remove that toxins from your body, get rid of acne, help in skincare as well. For pregnant mommies, it is good to stay hydrated, so if you drink something healthy like this, especially during summer, it is great. For postpartum mommies, again, to stay hydrated, to help boost milk, boosting lactation, it is important. So you can have it that as well, but in moderation, okay? But otherwise, if you're not a new mommy, then you can have it daily. And yes, let's dive right in and see how to make it. The list of ingredients required to make this Ashgard or winter melon juice is, or are, only is this one single ingredient. And this is how it looks. You can buy it in pieces because one whole Ashgard would be too much for you to consume, and it is not recommended to refrigerate and use it. So bring it as fresh as possible and de-seed. Removing the seed is important. Now keeping the top layer skin is good. You don't have to get rid of it. Peel it over, get rid of all the skin because otherwise it would leave a bitter taste and you wouldn't want it. Especially being on diet is so disgusting, tell me. I mean, unless you plan it healthy and tasty altogether, it is really difficult. I'm sorry to use that word, but it is my frank confession that it is disgusting at times. Now you could actually make pieces or chunks of it and put it in a mixer jar, or you can grate it like this, and this is good because you can make a fine juice out of it. Otherwise you would be left out with chunks. So I recommend grating, and then I'm adding it to Wonder Chef blender jar. I am actually making this jar a lot famous than it has to be because it is so convenient, and especially mothers who have younger kids, to blend a few things, make puree or something. It is actually very handy. So the link is in description box, you can check it there. Now in a strainer I am adding in this grated and fine pureed mixture of bottle gourd, and then we'll strain it. You can even use a muslin cloth and strain it. It would be much easier and the wastage would be less. The one which is left out, you can use it along with wheat and make roti. Now this helped me a lot. A very simple recipe, right? Early morning on empty stomach, I took it regularly and my acidity issues are in control now. So do try it. Okay, so now you are a new mommy, definitely because you are on this channel. Let me tell you other recommendation. You can check Ashgard dosa. This is a great diet food. You can also check methi powder balls because this is something which can boost lactation, and it also is something which can help in healing post delivery. So please do check that. Dry fruit laddu, because you need that now to get healthy, stay healthy and energetic, because you have a child to take care of along with yourself who's also healing. And at last I would recommend caramel and savory makhana. Now I know you are for a while at least at home and taking care of baby, getting bored, you always want to munch on something. Why not munch on something healthy and which is easy to make at home? So caramel and savory makhana, do try that. And I have few other recommendation on our blog. You can check DIY banana face mask because you need that extra care. I mean, you need to take care of yourself too. And DIY hair mask because you are losing a lot of hair, and there is in detail I have mentioned how to use that and why is it that postpartum you lose a lot of hair. and green gram herbal bath powder. If you have a child at home and you are somebody who is against using chemical soap, etc., I would recommend use this. Even if not regularly, occasionally you can use that as a scrub. So green gram herbal bath powder. So all these are on our channel. The link would be found in the description box. Please do check them, and I'm happy that you're watching our video. I'm so glad that we have been moving ahead slowly but steadily. We are almost at 1,23,000 subscribers, and if you are somebody who has subscribed to my channel already, I am really grateful to you, and if not, please do subscribe, because I regularly post such videos which are going to be helpful for new parents. Baby food recipes to baby care videos, and everything comes on this channel. And if you subscribe, you will get a notification of our next video too. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, bye bye.